Oh, coming at you again with another Truck 150 Lightning video. Today we're going to be doing the shocks and struts. Shocks came in late yesterday. None other than the best, BILSTEINS. The lug nut size on this truck is 3/4 of an inch. Never taken the wheels off on this before. Oh my god, this fucking... Here's the old strut. It's like it's overdue for replacement. Got 5/8. Okay, just for the record, this is the setup you're probably going to need to use to get your struts off. You hold the vice grip around here, and it stops there. And you can loosen the nut up there. Rad. So, turns out this nut spins. It's not part of the mount, so you do have to put another wrench on it. Not a 9/16 though. This is an 11/16, and the rear nut is 5/8. Oh wait, I don't think the hammer's the right tool for this. No. Alright, so I'm gonna reenact this. You grab it with both hands and you push it down until it comes out, and then you figure out what's next. Oh man, this new one looks pretty nice. Let me get that out of there. Your new strut probably won't fit in the old bracket. It's just normal. Ran into it a lot. Just have to do one easy thing. Okay, discovery of another way that lets you get a ratchet in. So, jack it up on the frame rail. And you will have to loosen it initially with the open-end wrench. Eventually the nut will get up high enough that you can stick in a ratchet and finish the job. Oh. Easy. The nut size is 18 on one side and 5/8 on the other side. And that's the wrong one. Not that. Pretty easy. Top bolt is 18 millimeters.